His first question is asked by Chaitanya. He's asking, what is LinkedIn and how does it help computer background students? Chaitanya, according to official LinkedIn documentation, LinkedIn is the world's largest professional network on internet. So basically, it's a social network for professional people where professional people connect with each other. So by professional people, I mean not only people related to information technologies or IT job, it is also a professional network for people in other fields of technology or other fields also, be it a professor, be it a educator, be it a any other professional, be it doctor, be it probably engineer, doctor, or whatever things comes into my mind. Basically, LinkedIn is a social network for professionals to connect with professionals. So basically, you create your profile on LinkedIn just like you create your profile on Facebook, but instead of showcasing or instead of mentioning your hobbies, your likes and dislike, and posting your hobbies photos or family photos, you basically create your professional resume there. You mention about the companies you have worked on, what are your roles and responsibilities in those companies, and what are you interested in doing, or what are you looking in your next job, or maybe you can showcase what are you doing professionally. Like, I post all my videos on LinkedIn also to increase the reach of my videos to my professional network. So whatever community session I give, I post that link. I post my blog post URL there on LinkedIn. So basically, LinkedIn is a social network where you showcase your professional items, or you can say where you can showcase your professional achievements to get a better job in future. The reason I'm saying that to get a better job in future is because nowadays more and more HR professionals, more and more job consultants are using LinkedIn to search for search for people or search for candidate for their next job. So many companies or many HR of different companies are using LinkedIn to search for candidates for their future job prospects. And apart from that, LinkedIn has also grown into a job site. So many companies post jobs on LinkedIn too, where you can apply to those jobs directly from LinkedIn, and then the HR professional will contact you based on your LinkedIn profile. So LinkedIn is similar to your Facebook, but in the professional sense, to showcase your professional capabilities. So coming to your second question, how does it will help a computer background student, is that it will help you in building your professional brand. So by building your professional brand, what I meant is, once you create a profile on LinkedIn, you can showcase what you have learned in your college, or maybe whatever internships you have done. You can ask the lead or your manager where you have done the internship to give a good recommendation of you on your LinkedIn profile. That way you can showcase that LinkedIn profile in your future jobs, to showcase that what all internship experiences you have and how much professional networks you have, like network connections you have. It may also help you in getting jobs, because when you are connected to someone at a good position on LinkedIn, maybe they can refer you based on your LinkedIn profile. If they know that you are a good candidate for something, maybe they can refer you for a job or a internship opportunity they see in their known network. So I think that way it will help you in building your professional brand as well as professional network. But this doesn't mean that you create a profile on LinkedIn and send connection request without any proper cover letter to all the top people on LinkedIn. That's the reason most of the people on LinkedIn has has set the option of closed connection only, or some people has set the option that only person with their mobile number or email can send them connection, or only paid person can send them connection. So by paid person, LinkedIn also give you an option to buy a create a LinkedIn pro profile, which is basically a paid profile where you can send email to or connection request to anybody over the LinkedIn. So you can do that only if you have a profile, but being a student you don't have the pro profile. So in my opinion, you should send connections to only those people to whom you have met in person or met in an event and you have talked with them personally, that sir, I will be, or ma'am, I will be sending you a LinkedIn connection request, please accept my request. So if they know about you, then probably they might accept your connection request, otherwise they might reject those connection requests also. So the better option is to like send connection request to only those people whom you know personally, or like not personally, you can say professionally personally. So whom you know personally in professional world. So your team lead in your internship opportunity, or maybe your college professor, if he has a or if he or she has a like LinkedIn profile, so maybe you can connect to your college professor. So those kind of people you can connect to as a student. But as a professional, usually people know that they have to connect to only those people with whom they are professionally connected in real world also. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, family and colleagues. So until my next video, take care, bye bye.